Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda Civic Coupe. This two-door, five-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.